all about the new Senate building, the delays and the cost, and developing yung story. Maraming tinatago sa atin. So remember, lying is not only not telling you the truth, but it's also telling you the half-truth and then withholding the truth so that you do not come out to the whole truth. Review lang to eh. So hindi ko alam bakit, ganyan ang nagiging reaction ng marami, either frozen or nagkakalat ng gossip tungkol sa amin or politically may attacks when what we're doing is the review. So if they came forward and gave us everything, we would have decisions by now. That's what I'm saying, they're not being forthright, diba? And that's not good kasi nga hindi natin ma-evaluate ng mabuti kung ganyan ang sasabihin. I do not know who is most guilty and sinong natatakot lang or tingin nila wala sa kanilang position to speak out. I will not be distracted by Senator Nancy. Yeah. I'll wait, RG, for the final draft ng rules. But I think it's a good idea na magka-conciliation. But in this case kasi, this is all about the new Senate building, the delays and the cost, and developing yung story. Just this week, I found out maraming tinatago sa atin. Sino nagtatago, bakit tinatago, I haven't gotten to that. But I've finally received caches, halos a half room full of documents. We're going through it. And people are either blatantly lying or just not speaking to us, no? So lumalabas even yung from 23 to 25 to 27, that could even be a little bit conservative pala, no? And then yun nga, may mga, so I have to consult the Senate President, but I will do my duties. So, parang I cannot, hindi ako pwede lumingon kasi, RG, na parang, yan yung ethics, anong gagawin sa'yo doon? I have to look forward na yung goal, maganda, masunod yung design, matapos ka agad, at sa tamang presyo. Diba? So, but yung sasabihin mo yung facade, 1 billion, ginawang 498, tapos ngayon, lumalabas 2.9 billion, tapos lumalabas may isa pang design na hindi sinasabi. Malabo yung ganon, di ba? Paano tayo matatapos? I mean, basic naman, even sa inyo sa media, transparency, di ba? So, remember, lying is not only not telling you the truth, but it's also telling you the half-truth and then withholding the truth so that you do not come out to the whole truth. That's why pag pinag-oath natin sila, di ba? Sinasabi natin to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth. Because you can say half-truths eh. Or you can say nothing and they'll say that's the truth. Di ba? So that's why siguro I can appeal kay Senator Nancy, sa SCT, sa DPWH, di ba? Tell the whole truth, di ba? Ito, review lang to eh. So hindi ko alam bakit, ganyan ang nagiging reaction ng marami, either frozen or nagkakalat ng gossip tungkol sa amin or politically may attacks when what we're doing is the review. So if they came forward and gave us everything, we would have decisions by now. And I consulted the Senate President. We want to do the technical decisions all within the month of August para walang further delays. And then para nga yung cost, remember every year na nag-delay tayo or every few months, inflation na naman yan, taas na naman ng cost niyan, di ba? It's coming out so far to be the most expensive building in the country and that's going to be sad, di ba? But we'll still try to remedy that. Yeah, for as long as wag lang maapektuhan yung resulta ng review. Yung ibig sabihin secondary yung relationship namin, secondary yung if I can use the word tampuhan, di ba? As I said, I'm not perfect. I apologize to the public na nireport nyo naman kasi hindi naman dapat ganun talaga mangyari. But because of that, God works in mysterious ways. Maraming lumabas, no? At marami kaming nakita ngayon. Halo-halo na. ibig sabihin yung pag sinundan mo yung dalawang hearing, kumbaga parang para kang galing EDSA Makati papuntang Quezon City. Yung pala, hindi pinakita sa atin. Meron din palang isang kalye na papunta din Quezon City or papunta sa ibang lugar, pero C5 naman pala yung daan. So, that's what I'm saying, they're not being forthright, di ba? And that's not good kasi nga, hindi natin ma-evaluate ng mabuti kung ganyan ang sasabihin. Many people. So let me continue my review. But I will make the statement kung sino-sino sila. Diba? That's why nga, I will not be distracted by Senator Nancy or the Ethics Committee. Kasi nga, now, if they wanna come forward and, diba, yung parating sinasabi, usap-usap, sabi ko lang, simple naman sinabi ko sa kanilang lahat, pwede ba bago kayo mag-usap, bigyan niyo ako ng briefer. And specify ko gumawa na kayo ng timeline, lagay niyo yung significant contracts at saka lagyan niyo lang. Para pag nag-usap, may pag-uusapan tayo. Diba? Ang? Wala pang diin-diin eh. Kasi nga, well, to be honest, ngayon parang all of the above eh. Kasi lumipas yung dalawang hearing, wala namang isang lumapit sa akin. Sabi yung boss, yung sa hearing nyo, tama pero mali din Or tama pero hindi lahat sinasabi sa inyo So far, yung nga sabihin ko, I do not know who is most guilty and sinong natatakot lang or tingin nila wala sa kanilang position to speak out. But I'm just saying, di ba, para tayo nag-press con ngayon, tapos paglabas ko, sinabi ng staff ko, sir, mali pala yung sinabi mo kasi ito yung kalahati ng briefer. Di ba, parang ganun yung nangyayari. Parang after every hearing, may dadating na dokumento, mali na pala yung pinag-usapan kasi luma na pala yun.
Umani naman ito ng iba't ibang reaksyon mula sa ating mga netizens. Ayon kay Benito Acuña, I agree with Senator Alan Cayetano. The issue is the price of the building and it's very scandalous. Never na sa mga Binay again. Pahayag naman ni Elizabeth Palga, for the information of everyone, ang prime contractor ng Senate Building Hillmarks Construction ay the same contractor ng gumawa ng controversial parking lot sa Makati. I am not insinuating anything, medyo fishy lang. At ito naman ang saloobin mula sa ating kababayan na si Jeffrey Narciso, ayaw ni Binay na madelay ang construction, pero 16 na nakatingga sa mesa niya ang mga papeles. Kaya magising na tayo mga Pilipino, huwag nang iboto itong kandidato na ito. Sayang lang pera ng bayan, very low performance. Mga kababayan, feel free to comment below para maglabas ng saloobin sa balitang ito.